I also have this one here. If you guys want to become a mixologist, learn how to mix a couple of drinks. This is a great book, but it's in Italian. So you'll have to do a little bit of research on your own on the things that I will read to you guys in Italian. It's easier to do that and keep it rather kid friendly if it's in a different language. What else we got? We got Ponti. If you guys want to hear a couple of words in Italian from a Italian practice book. I also have a French practice book here from Kimberly Jansma and Margaret Ann Casson. Motifs, anyway, in French. So I bring the usual stuff that I read. I've got stuff on robots. I've got stuff on everything. Good morning, Jonas Hastewart. Thank you for joining us. Excuse my humanity. Occasionally I will have burps that come up. I'm not sure. It's early in the morning. But yeah, sending you guys the love and respect that you guys deserve for showing up to the live stream. Good morning, Gonzalo. Thank you for showing up today. So yeah, I'm just in a couple of minutes I'll start the actual live thing. It's nice to see so many people showing up, becoming part of the live stream, getting in here in the chat. Feel free to send questions if you have questions in the chat. I will try my best to see them and read them out and talk to you guys about whatever you guys are wondering about, which is something that I do every day. I've been doing this for forever on the YouTube. I've been doing this forever on the YouTube, but the problem is with YouTube that I'm so hated on that annoying platform that the algorithm rarely sends anybody the way over, so I never know if anybody's online or not online. It is just abysmal, as they say. Abysmal is what it is over there on that platform of death. But anytime I scream about it, it's a little bit like how people love their Teslas, right? They love their Teslas so much that they are willing to forego all the problems with their Teslas, right? Good morning, Tucking, Tarek, and Gary Shepard, and D. Collins. Thank you guys for showing up and being part of the chat today. I'm gonna send you hearts today. I've got this new, I'm trying to figure out if there's other things that you could do with your hand or something. I don't know. I don't know. There was another one that you could do this and it would have like heart shapes coming out here. I think it's not really working today, but these are fantastic. Look, you can get hearts right away like that. I couldn't do